this time, this is equal to 0, right? So here we define, so we know this, okay? We have already studied this form. Can you remember? So we have discussed this one. So I have told you there is a common formula available, right, for this quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? So here what we do is that we just apply that concept here. Okay, so we apply that one here, right? So you know A, you know B, you know C. Okay, you first get all the terms with x into one side of the equation. You understood or not? So we organize this one, right? We keep these two here and we take this one to this side. So here we do that activity, right? Then add b by 2 square to both left and right side of the equation and check whether it is possible to get two square terms on both sides. You understood? So we apply this one, okay? So we are just applying this one to this side, again to this side. Then we are trying to get the possibility of having this one same value again here and there, right? You are able to do so, right? You can simply factorize this one, yes or no? I mean a minus b holding square, right? If you are able to do that, if you expand this one will come, okay? Then you are having both sides with the square value, right? So you can simply say, okay, you can take it out. So this is very simple mathematics, right? X minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 6. So you can simply say x is equal to 3 minus 3, we can say, or x is equal to 9. You understood or not? Difficult? This method, so it's very important. You see, this method is not applicable for some equations. So it is very, very important, right? So if you get this arrangement, right, it is important for you to have this explanation. Everybody is okay with this? Shamina?
Okay, sir.
Yes, please make a note on this. Abhishan finished?
No, sir.
Okay. Satwanlingam finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Manasi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Manasi, can you please explain this one? Difficult? How do we do this?
First we have to find the values for A, B, and C
Yes.
in the given equation.
Yes.
So we and then we have to rearrange the equation as we get all the x values in one side.
Yes.
And we have to add to both sides, left and right, the value that we got for B. We have to divide that by 2 and we have to get the square value.
Yeah.
And we have to add that value to both sides,
Yes.
left and right.
Yes.
And we can substitute the, so we can solve that equation and then we can find the value for x.
Yeah, so we are making, okay, good, thanks. So we are making square value here and again, so we are making that square value here. Now, you know, same activity. So we will see this. Okay, you can just make it equal to this. Okay, then of course you can find out the x. So this is of course completing the square method, right? So we will see the next one. This is of course quadratic equation formula. For a quadratic equation, the value of x is given by the following formula. You see, this is x. Now we are having b, a, and c, right? Everything is there. You should have studied this one, correct? Vidushana, you have studied this one before?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's very simple, right? So I'm just refreshing because we are going to have some practical applications later. I'm just refreshing, right? So we know A, B, and C. The example, if you are able to have this equation, okay, it is of course fulfilling requirements for a quadratic equation. So you can find out A, B, and C. Everyone is willing to know that. That is obvious, okay? You can obtain that one from this equation. Once you know that, right, you can substitute such values into that equation. Then, of course, you can simply identify x value. Is that correct? Everyone is okay with that, students? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Right. Please have a note on it. So I'm just giving you another announcement, right? So here, Department of Agriculture. You right? Okay. I'm just telling you. You just listen to what I say, right? Here, Department of Agricultural Engineering. Okay, we are planning some community activities, training programs, and some other group activities in future, right? So we are going to organize. According to the situation that is changing, we will be having different arrangements. You will also be visiting the faculty very soon if the situation is going to be normal, right? So the thing is that I'm expecting, those who are willing to study, further, or master degree, I can say, yes, master or master of philosophy, master of science, or some other degree programs, okay, you just make a foundation. Everyone is having a unique expectation, right? So the thing is that you have to identify your willingness. Those who are willing to go for higher studies, please you make a foundation with us just to have a good establishment, right? You understood? Some people will be having an expectation to go for master degree, then master of philosophy. Then sometimes those who are very good at doing some analytical problems, of course, they will go for doctoral degree, right? So we are having some collaborations with, I have told you this one, they are now expediting the process. So we are going to exchange certain students with University of Rahunu, right? Again, we are going to exchange some students with the University of Sri Jawatanapur. Then, of course, we are planning to expand our network to the University of Uva Velas, right? So there are arrangements available. So we are expecting your contribution, right? Those who are really interested in environmental studies, agricultural engineering. So we are having different disciplines. So we are unique, right? So this information is very useful for you to make a very good plan, right? So that is very, very important. You are reaching 1-2, right? So you are finishing. How many more weeks do you have to complete this semester? Shamina? Only 7 weeks, am I right? Students, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, how many more weeks do you have to finish this semester? How many? Manasi? Abhishan? Yes, you are not knowing?
1 month.
Altogether, one semester, okay, it is set with 15 weeks, right? How many weeks have you completed so far?
This is 9th week, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Ah, good. Satkunalingam, are you okay with this? This is the 9th
Yes,
week?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Shamina?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shamina, you have to be smart enough to display all these, all these facts. Okay, Shamina?
Okay, sir.
Good, good, right. You are very active, but you have to be smart, right? Okay, good. So the thing is that you are finishing, right? So you will be finishing your 1-1. So this is a time for you to develop good establishment. Students, are you okay with the piece of information provided? You understood? So I will be expecting, right, your support in future to have some community based activities, right? Those who are really interested, please come forward, please express your interest. Of course, that is very useful for us to widen our network. Students, can you understand the fact that I am telling?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So I'm expecting that support. So in future, I will talk to you because when you are coming to 1-2, okay, so we will have very good collaborations, right? So I'm going to revise the system which is practiced here. So your support is highly expected, right? Okay. So this is very simple. So we have just identified this one, so you can just substitute, then of course you can simply find a value for x. That is possible. Now we are going to talk about certain examples, right? So this is just for your practice. So we will see this. So first one, so we just talk about this, right? The three sides of a right angled triangle are x plus 1 and 5. Find the x if the longest side is 5. Can you do this, students? Did you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Right, please talk to me. Okay, Lakmali, you understood? Lakmali not available?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right, good. Imandi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So students, please write, okay? Please develop your analytical skill, okay? This is the core for everything, right? Please try to develop your analytical skills. That is very important for you to have very good establishment in future. Please do it. I will give you 4 minutes, right? AG 023. Yes, good. Have you completed? Ushwa, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, very good. Can you please explain the way that you have used to solve this? Can you? Ushwa?
Difficult, sir.
Difficult? How did you get the answer for X? Ushwa, can you hear me? No?
Yes, sir.
Difficult to explain?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Okay, that's fine. Don't worry. Some students are very active. They are doing good things, but there is a barrier. What is that? Language. It's not a matter, right? So in future, you all can develop your language skills, right? Language skill is not a matter, right? Your critical thinking is the core factor. You can develop your language. That's very important. I'm telling you, because without proper display, without proper communication, without audience. You agree? Abhishan, you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, otherwise, you will be dormant. Right. Anyone? Yes, I can ask. Sakroling, have you finished?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. I will wait for you. Vihara, you finished? Vihara, are you available? No? Okay, we'll see. Right. Bidang, yes. Bidagi,
Yes, sir.
you finished?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Xavier,
Yes, sir.
you finished?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
3, sir.
How did you get it? Can you explain that one? No? Very good.
I'll give a try, sir.
Yeah, very good. Yes, I appreciate this. So I'm expecting this word, right? From everyone. So I will try. I can't, usually successful personalities, they are not saying no. Okay? How to say, losers, they usually say no, I can't do. Successful personalities, they say yes, I will try. So I'm expecting this word from everyone, right? Hope that you would understand my motivational stuff for you to develop. Okay, Xavier, that's good. Please make a try.
Here I use the perpendicular theorem, sir.
Yes.
So the formula is come as x square plus x plus 1 square is equal to 5 square. So when we illustrate x plus 1 square is coming like this, x square plus 2, x plus 1 is equal to 25.
Yes.
So when we take 25 to the right side of the equation,
Yes.
2x square plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0.
Yes.
So I divide whole the formula three is equal to 0.
Yes.
So x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0.
Yes.
So when I solve it, x is equal to minus 4 or x is equal to 3. So it can't be minus 4 because a length of a line can't be minus. So it comes as x is equal to 3.
Yes, excellent. Excellent. Thanks a lot. So she has done this one perfectly, right? She has used the method that I have used to solve this. It is, of course, very good, right? I'm really happy for that. Okay, you see? So, Sylvia, so what is the method you have used to solve factorization or quadratic equation formula?
Factorization, sir.
Yeah, good, good, good. Right. So you see, yes, thanks for that. So this is the typical scenario. So you can simply develop this one. Okay, then you are solving this. Then of course you are getting this value. Then of course you say, okay, this one is the
No, sir.
Okay. We will wait for 2 more minutes.
Recording in progress.
Manasi, finished? Can you hear me? It's not available.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. My connection is unstable today.
Okay, fine. Manasi, finished? No?
Yes, sir.
So what did you get? Can you hear me? Yes? Okay, she's having some issues. Okay, we will discuss this one later with her, right? Purnika, Himanti,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me? You finished?
No, sir. Last.
Okay, oh,
last
yeah, okay, yes. Madhivadana, 154. Finished?
Yes, sir.
You finished?
No, sir. Doing,
Okay,
sir.
okay, right. Hemani Washini, yes, 015. You are available? You finished?
No, sir. I'm right.
Okay, you work out, yes. Shanas, 016. Are you available?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Have you completed?
No, sir.
Okay, right. Shugantika, 026. Available?
Yes, sir.
You finished?
No, sir.
Okay. Oh, right, yeah. Okay. Akila, 035. Are you available?
Yes, sir.
You finished?
No, sir, I'm doing.
Oh, yeah, yeah, okay. Yamsika 036.
Yes, sir.
You are finishing? No?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Go ahead. Right.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, yes. Talk to me.
sir,
Yes.
in this calculation, I don't know others because I can't get exact square root
Are
for
you sure? Are you sure? Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
for me, I don't know others.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So,
We will wait for a few others,
I
right?
will-
Then if they are getting the same problem, of course we will discuss, right? Okay.
okay, sir, thank you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay,
Okay,
thanks for that. Yes, yes. We will wait for others. Yes, one person has obtained 0.14 meter. Right, we'll see. Yes. Herath, PHM. Are you available?
Yes, sir.
Very good. You got, yes, correct answer. How did you get it?
Using the quadratic equations.
Can you explain that one?
Yes, sir.
Excellent, right. Please explain that one, then I will explain.
Okay.
Others, please pay your attention to this discussion, okay? If you get some clarifications, we will discuss, right? Okay, Herath, go ahead.
For the area of the square,
Yes.
I use the equation 100 square meters equal
Yeah.
L times 2L minus 1.
Yes.
Then I simplify it to 100 equal 2L squared minus L.
Yes.
Then I get, and then I again substitute it to the get to equation 2L squared minus L minus 100 equals 0. Then
Yes.
I get A, B, C coefficient values.
Yes.
Then I substitute them to the quadratic equation and solve it.
Yeah. Then you are getting the value 7.324L, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So you all understood this one. Thanks for that. So this is the method that I have used. He has also used the same. It's of course very nice. Anything is difficult for you to understand this one, students? Difficult?
No, sir.
Yeah, everyone is okay with this?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I will be setting nice questions, right? You have to answer them properly. When I am correcting your answer scripts, I should be happy, right? Everyone should perform well. That is my expectation. Everyone should earn A or A plus, right? Most of the time, I was away, right? Last 3 years, I was away. So at that time, I can tell you many students, I mean, I am not knowing their names. They were unable to pass this course. Some final year students, they are having problems. The thing is that I'm explaining everything clearly, right? If you are having some difficulties to understand these things, of course, please talk to me. You all should earn A or A plus. Everyone should earn above B plus. Okay? So that is my expectation. Can you do that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. The thing is that I will set similar questions. Don't expect the same, right? So you have to apply all these concepts that we have studied. Okay? Then of course you can simply solve it. I should be happy when I correct your answer scripts. Can you make me happy? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Right. So with that note, I will go to another sum. So it's also very tricky. Can you please work it out? The sum of two numbers is 18. And the product of these two numbers is 56. What are these numbers? Can you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please type. Yes, many others got correct. Yes, got the correct answer, right? Many others. Yes, I have seen their answers. Yes, that's great. Sintuja, yes. Midushana, yes. Manashi, yes. Many people, they have got correct answers. Great. So everyone should do this, right? Good. Now you are interested in this subject, correct or wrong? Which one is good, hydrology or mathematics? Students?
Mathematics.
Good. Hydrology, boring, no? Theory. Isha? Boring? Isha, are you available, no? Yes. Manashi, hydrology, boring? Theory, no?
No, so it's interesting.
Okay. You know, mathematics is very nice because most of you are willing to study that one. So it's very, very nice. Okay. So when you are doing an activity, you have to be fully concentrated, right? Then only you will get the full benefit from that particular activity. Okay. So please work out this one. Time is up, right? So I will stop at this point. Some people have, yes, completed 4 and 14. So I will just have a look at it. Yes, excellent. That person has done it. 0, yes, many people. Manashi, just 032. Banu, am I right? Are you
Yes,
available?
sir.
Yeah, excellent. So you have done it. So that is the correct answer. Manashi also, she has done it. So this is the answer. So next time we will discuss this, right? Others, please work out. So everyone can do this because everyone is highly potential in this group. That is my feeling, right? Don't spoil that feeling. So you have to keep that one all the time. So everyone is equal, right? So please study hard. Try to have you a good future. Okay, that is enough for the day. Okay, we will these matters later. Thanks a lot for coming. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.